The safety of buildings is of vital importance. So what are the factors that affect building safety? First, high-quality steel. Large span structures cannot be replaced by ordinary steel. High-strength steel must be used. In this way, it can withstand the internal load of the building itself and the external load caused by environmental factors. Second, professional design. The drawings of the building must be considered on the spot, and they must be professionally studied and verified. Otherwise, it will bring huge safety hazards. Third, professional manufacturers. According to professional drawings, strictly follow the production process. Carry out inspections to ensure that each component is qualified. N&K Home Steel Structure Co., Limited, a professional steel structure manufacturer. We put safety and quality first. Control every detail and serve every link well. Looking forward to working with you.